Morning students, today we are continuing lesson number 4 word processor. In that we will learn how to move the text. Children, what is the meaning of moving the text? In moving the text, we move the text from its original location to a new location. And for moving the text, we use cut and paste option. These options are located on a clipboard group. Now we will understand how to move the text. To move the text, first of all, we have to select the text. As you can see in this picture, I have selected the text. MS Word is a popular word processor. After selecting the word, we have to go to the cut button that is located in a clipboard group. Or even we can simply press Ctrl plus X. Ctrl plus X is a shortcut key used to use the cut option. As we used cut option, we will see the text will be disappear from the original location and it temporarily placed on a clipboard. Children, clipboard is a folder that temporarily stored the content that we cut or copy. क्लिपबोर्ड जो है टेम्परेरी फोल्डर है जहाँ पर कोई भी कंटेंट पिक्चर टेक्स्ट जब हम कॉपी और कट करते हैं तो वहाँ स्टोर हो जाता है. नाउ टू move the text, we have to place the cursor to a new position and then we have to click on a paste option that is on the clipboard group, or we will simply press Ctrl plus V. Ctrl plus V is a shortcut key. We will see that the text will appear to the new location we have desired. So this way we can move the text from one location to another location in a document. Next is the children copying the text. For copying the text, we use copy and paste option. Children, copy command used to create the duplicate copy of the text, and even we can create a duplicate copy of the text not in the same document. Even we can copy the text from one document to another document also. And what is the advantage of copying the text? It saves our time because we don't have to type the same text again and again. And what is the difference between copy paste and cut paste features? Copy command copies the text. It does not remove the text from its original place. But cut option remove the text from original place and place to the new location. Now children, we will understand how can we copy the text in a document. To copy the text, first of all we have to select the text and then we will click on the copy button that is in the clipboard group, or simply we can press Ctrl plus C. Ctrl plus C is a shortcut key we use for copy the text. Now whatever the text we have copied, it will place in a clipboard, and as you can see it will not remove from its original location because it is different from the cut option. And then we have to place our cursor to the new position and we will come to the paste option, and then we will use the paste option, and also you can use the Ctrl plus V, that is a shortcut key. Now see children, the sentence that we have copied is coming to the two locations, original also and a new location, because we have used copy command, we have not used cut command. So I hope you understand the difference between the moving the text and copying the text. Now next we will understand delete the text. Children, word allow us to erase the text during typing if we have written something wrong, or if you want to clear some content of our document, then we can use backspace key and delete key to clear the contents. There is only one difference between backspace and delete key, is that backspace key delete the text from left side of the cursor and delete key is used to clear the content from the right side of the cursor. I hope you understand. Cursor is a vertical blinking line that is we see in the document area during typing. Now see, suppose there is a sentence we have written, and as you can see that MS Word used for is the left side of cursor and typing purpose is written right side of the cursor. If we use backspace key, then we will find out that from the left side forward is removed because backspace key removed from the left side of cursor. And if we use delete key, then we will find out that character will be removed from the right side of cursor. Okay. I hope you will understand. Thank you.